Gabby, you gotta be quiet.
Oh, we're ready. So we got a $10 mystery box, supposedly full of kids stuff. So let's see if we've got $10 worth of stuff here. Hey, yeah, I have no idea what I got. I got ring pops, 4 of them. Okay. Keep your cheddar chips clipped together and sticky stuff for the refrigerator wall. A tea infuser, whatever you're gonna infuse your tea with, a kitty cat. And I got a duck. A squishy little, ooh, that is squishy. That's kind of cool. Squishy duck. Scribe, scribble, scribble, scribe. It was on clearance. Oh, Bluey. Bluey stuff. Very popular with this. And I don't know if this is to keep your cat interested. It's a dinosaur that makes a lot of noise. More ring pops. No, it's an eraser. These are eraser sets. Oh, Pokemon. Then you get pissed off because your Pokemon's all erased. Hello, kitty. Flip it on there and dangle down and get in your way. And Star Wars Doorables. D-O-O-R. I don't know, but there it is. And Piggy Piggy. Hog it all to win. I'm going to say it's some kind of game. Oh, it's cards. There's cards in there. And casemate. Aluminum ring. Lens protectors. Why did you say so? Hide it on me. A little tiny card. Don't give it to the little kids because they'll choke them. Enamel pin set. Oh, you can stick them on your clothes and stuff. They poke right through and all kinds of fun stuff. Extreme indoor outdoor double-sided mounting tape. That could be cool. Could use some of that. 3-pack mystery erasers. There's 3 erasers in there. You have no clue as to what they are until you purchase and open and experiment to create your swarms. What the heck? Mr. Beast Lab swarms. I have no idea. But I'm sure somebody does. C drive. Charge it. Get it going. Fire it up. Pokemon. So I'm assuming there's somebody inside of there. Da, 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 da. Treats. Scented erasers. Those are not treats. Those are erasers. Don't eat your erasers. Eat, brush, sleep, repeat. That's probably what that charger's for. Ha-ha! See how I can figure these things out? Double-ended stamp markers. That's what it says. My bucket's getting too full. Oh, more Pokemon things. I wonder who's inside of there. And some more Bluey stuff. There's markers in there. There's a scrub brush. Like a toothbrush type scrubber. And another Pokemon ball. These little Pete's. Got a bunch of them. Ooh, Hot Wheels. Special feature Hot Wheels. I don't know what one that is. All-Star Sports. Is it a ball? No, it's not a ball. Whatever it is. Oh, something in it. Surprise. That's what it says right on it. A mystery box. Things falling off of it. Collect all of them. Stitch. Squish'ems. Must be inside of there. They hit it. And another one of these Swarms. Experiment, create your own swarms. Mix, shake, create. Oh, okay. I don't know. Looks like a seashell by the seashore. Probably something inside of there. Single event timer, kitchen timer. Time yourself so you don't overcook your food. And another Pokemon ball. And another Pokemon ball. What's inside of them? Gosh, I need to open some of them so we can find out. Sunglasses. And a Spider-Man giant eraser. So Spidey can correct your mistakes. And an astronaut pencil sharpener. He looks kind of familiar, like I've seen him somewhere before. And you put your phone in there. Travel cup pouch. Okay. And a little Velcro on the back. I have no clue. Ooh, here you go. Some aux cords. Extend your stuff out. And another 3-pack mystery erasers. They're erasers, but you don't know what they are until you get them and open them and figure it out. And eraser bracelets. Okay, so you wearing your bracelet, you realize you screwed up with your other hand and you get erase. There's a lot of erasers in here because now I've got dino erasers. Those are cool. And that toothbrush thingy over there has a spare brush. And a true to life Pokemon ball. And this is whatever the next level up is. I haven't played Pokemon in weeks, so I can't tell you. Another dino eraser. And another toothbrush. That goes over there. And hold your, a wallet pocket with stand. So you can hold your phone up, kitty wampus there, and not have to hang on to it while you're watching and eating and typing. And another Hot Wheels car. That's kind of cool. Corvette Grand Sport. I like that. And, ooh, passing the gasser. Another Hot Wheels. We got some cool Hot Wheels in here. Minecraft. 6 little Minecrafts in there I'm taking. And I'm going to go this way. Earrings. 2 sets of earrings. Sorry, I don't wear earrings at the moment. And from Command Brand, cord clips. So you don't get all tangled up. You can hang them on the ceiling, the wall. So if you've got lights or something, little strings of lights across your ceiling and stuff, these help hold them into place. And hey, guess what? The only thing left is a rubber band. Yeah, and you all gotta have a rubber band so you can take it and shoot it towards the person filming. Cool, huh? Later.